latest weather synopsis. An area of low pressure over southwest Utah.
Oklahoma, moving west at about 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Special marine warning. For the following marine locations, coastal waters from San Mateo Point to the Mexican border are down to 30 nautical miles, and waters from San Mateo Point to the Mexican border extending 30 to 60 nautical miles out, including San Clemente Island. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from San Mateo Point to the Mexican border are down to 30 nautical miles, waters from San Mateo Point to the Mexican border extending 30 to 60 nautical miles out, including west of Point Loma, moving west at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include North San Clemente Island. Coastal weather observations at 1 p.m. Huntington Beach. Waves 3 feet at 12 seconds. Water